Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have come on tonight to show you a Canadian company that has just caught my eye recently. I have not purchased anything from this company before. The company is called Poppy and Peonies. It is an online company here in Canada. You can find them on Facebook. It's poppyandpeonies.com. Find them on Instagram at poppy_peonies. It is a female-founded, cruelty-free Canadian brand on a mission to empower women. And I just wanted to show you what I purchased from them. This is just a slight unboxing that I'm doing this evening. I haven't actually packed this bag. I haven't actually put anything in here to show you the size. It is still packed originally from the box. I did receive this today. It's a beautiful little tag here. Beautiful strips on the zipper. And again, it is vegan leather, so beautiful, beautiful choices. This is a crossbody bag. It is actually a, I guess you could call this like a sling bag. Comes in a beautiful pink. And this bag is actually called Sidekick Blush. If you bear with me for 1 second right here, I do have the shipping as well. Now, I did also purchase a lunch bag, and I'll get to that in a minute. But this Sidekick brush is numbered PP50022, and it is priced at $75. Now, I did order this on the 11th, and I received it on the 14th. So 3 days for shipping here in Ontario, and I did actually include the weekend on that shipping as well. So today is Monday, February the 14th. So they did come in today as well. So this is a bag that you can use. I just love this type of bag. It sits so comfortably on your hip. Has a beautiful back pocket here. I still haven't even unwrapped the tag. It's gold zipper with a gold tag. It does have the gold buckle here that's adjustable as well. You do wear this crossbody. Okay, so it is adjustable, but you can also, this is like your Sidekick bag. So it sits either if you want to put it on your hip, if it sits across your chest, if you want to slide it across your back, you can certainly do all of the above. Opens very, very easy, very comfortable. Has a great flap that hides everything back here. For shipping, they do stack the bag quite nicely. It's a beautiful stuffing, and remember to hold on to your stuffing. When your bags are not in use, you can always reuse that same stuffing to keep the bag shape and form. Beautiful, beautiful trim around the zipper, nicely reinforced. And I do see right here, Poppy and Peonies. Beautiful card stitching right here for your cards, business cards, credit cards, whichever you wish. It does come in at a little bit of an angle at the bottom, but if you are using this for a great day in the park with the kids, or if you are running a few errands, or tied this with a beautiful jumpsuit and a light sandal in the summer for your travel on the plane, this is a beautiful bag to do that with. Beautiful soft lining on the inside as well. Little bit of gather in the stitching at the bottom. Does lie completely flat, which is great for travel. And there is the back again. Beautiful back, quick access pocket should you need access for your keys. And that pocket is very, very generous, so quite comfortable to fit an 11, iPhone 12 or larger. You can also put your passport in here, very deep to do so. Charger cords, a little bit of makeup, a wallet in here if you wish. Just remember, if you put the wallet in here, it does take away space from the inside. However, if you're using a skinny mini from Coach, or you're using just a bifold regular from Fossil or Michael Kors, it will work in here as well. I did see wallets on Poppy and Peony's site, so please check that out as well. But that is a beautiful bag. If you'd like to see how I style this bag for on to go, please hit the notification button. I will be styling this bag, getting it ready for the weekend. Finding all my pale pinks out there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the like and subscribe button as well. Should you wish to be notified if I upload another video, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you soon.